Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Hanifa Itakila and you can call me Ifa. I'm a student majoring in accounting at the University of Bengkulu, and I made this video for collect my assignment English course, and I hope you enjoy. And now let's go to the video. The first word is accrual basis. Accrual basis is one of the principle of recording accounting transaction, where transaction will be recorded when the transaction occurs. And the sentence is a report change in capital is one of the financial statements that must be made by the company describing the increase or decrease in net assets during the period in question based on measurement with the accrual basis principle. And the second word is dividends. Dividends is company income which is distributed to shareholder or investors according to the number of shares owned. And the sentence is account contained in the income statement and dividends that will be closed at the end of the period. For example, revenue, expense, and dividend. Next, correcting entries. Correcting entries is a journal that must be made when the company finds out that there has been an error in recording in the journal. And the sentence is when we know and realize there is an error in the recording on the journal what we have to do is make correcting entries to correct the misstatements of account. And the next word is perpetual system. Perpetual system, one of the system for recording merchandise inventory accounting, where every transaction that results in the value of inventory record on an inventory card. And the sentence is perpetual and periodic inventory recording system have their respective advantage and disadvantage. Now, your task is to decide whether to use the perpetual or periodic method. Accurate accounting system and up-to-date recording system are very important for every company. Next word is specific identification method. Specific identification method is a method of approach in the valuation of inventory accounting, which is the most perfect method of determining how much the value of existing inventory. And the sentence is a special identification method is generally in product trading companies that sell products that have a special identification. For example, jewelry and used cars. Okay, next word is acquisition cost. Acquisition cost is all costs incurred to acquire the fixed asset, starting from the purchase cost to all costs incurred until the fixed assets are ready to operate. And the sentence is the assumption of acquisition cost, where the company first calculates the cost per unit of inventory value. Next word is inventory turn ratio. Inventory turn ratio is an inventory turnover ratio that shows how effectively inventory is managed by comparing the cost of goods sold. And the sentence is inventory turn ratio measure the number of times the company sold the average total inventory during the year. Next word is bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation is a cash record made by the company at the end of each period to equalize the cash balance in the bank, according to the bank's record, and the cash balance in the bank, according to the company's record. And the sentence is, there are several factors that lead the emergence of this bank reconciliation, one of which is the existence of discrepancies in financial records or reports. Even so, this is actually okay for a company or organization. However, to prevent other bad risk, the company still has to do a bank reconciliation. The next word is petty cash. Petty cash is a small amount of money that is prepared by the company to be used when there are small expenses. Usually, this small amount of money prepared will be used when there is a sudden or a routine transaction that the company needs. And the sentence is, business is one of the effort to make a profit through the activities of providing service or providing product for customers. In business activities, whether large or small, one of the important things that becomes a crucial factor determining success is financial management. Petty cash is one of the commonly used methods, or often referred as petty cash. And the last word is income summary. Income summary is a temporary account in accounting that are only used in the closing process in closing entries. And the sentence is, in line with the concept of closing entries that make temporary account balance zero in the next period. An easy way to remember closing entries for each temporary account is to remember the normal balance of each account. Each temporary account, except dividends, will be close to the income summary account, which is a temporary account for transferring income and expense. Okay, everyone, that's all from me. Thanks for your attention. Don't forget to like this video. And see you again in the next video, guys. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.